So we're just on the way into our spot. We just seen a massive heap of pigs, like some big cracking boars, and they're all just grazing. Actually, I think one's having a root too. But I know if the GoPro can pick them up, they're straight out there. There's like probably 30, I reckon 30 pigs there. Look at them, bro. There's like, and there's some cracking big boars there. But I don't know if we can, yeah. Oh, here. I don't know if we should just keep going down this fence line to the swamp. Holy. Hopefully we're on today. Okay, so we couldn't help ourselves. We're just gonna try press out, sneak out just behind the trees, and just try to get as close as we can to them. It's pretty hard when there's a big mob because there's so many eyes and they see you all the time. But we're both gonna have a crack at it. Hopefully it pays off. Oh, you can hear them again. They're having a bit of a orgy over there, I reckon. Big orgy.
Wait till we punch over that tree there. No, wait, the tree over here. Go for a shot. Go. Keep going, go to that tree, go to that tree.
Oh, you don't get that very often. The arrow went clean through and dropped that sow over here. Just gonna get a quick video, explain what happened. We got this nice little sow out of that mob. I was actually trying to get the big boar, but he was a bit onto us. He spooked the whole mob, so I just took a quick shot on her. Hit perfect. That's the exit wound there, and it hit high lung on this side. And it dropped her about bloody, I think it would be 20 meters, eh?
Yeah,
I hit
20.
it. And yeah, nice quick death. Good sow. Tom hit a good boar, but we lost him in the thick over there. Probably just laying down right there, and we just can't find him anywhere. And actually, yeah, I got my arrow back too. That's a pretty bit of a spin out. Pretty sick for the way into the spot. She's actually got little hooks on her too. Little dog killing ones. On the sow. She actually tried to get up and smash me when I found her, but she was pretty much dead, so she dropped instantly. So we've had so many attempts the last few weekends bow hunting and just coming up with big donuts, but that mob of pigs was perfect scenario. We had the wind blowing straight off them onto us, perfect stalk behind a heap of trees. They were heads down in the grass, couldn't get more perfect. Just spewing that big boar was too onto us, otherwise we would have got him. But he was fighting too when we were there. I was pretty sick. Watch, there was like one little, but probably 70 kilo, and he would have been like 85, getting near 90, I reckon, eh? The big boar.
Yeah, it was muscly, eh?
Yeah, he's huge.
Oh.
But yeah. Don't know what else to say. I'm frothing. So we just pulled the car up, and now we're just gonna press in through this thick bush and hit some nice open swamps, and hopefully there's gonna be some real good boars there. Tom's turn to have a crack. See how you go.
Big bro. Hey, look where my arrow is. Sticking up. Look where my arrow landed.
That's a good ball. Bro, you got him full heart shot. That is so good, man. Yeah, when they run, just let them, like, cause
do it sing.
Bold to life. How does this happen? Like, what's the goal here? Look at it. It's perfectly formed, bud.
What? Whoa. Oh shit. Whoa.
A bit quiet, but
Yeah.
oh,
Fuck. Yes, bro. Yes.
what do you reckon about your first boar on the bow, mate?
Bro, she's solid, eh?
Little woolly mammoth.
Yeah, I got him right in the heart. Right here.
Perfect shot. We've been practicing heaps, so it's been paying off.
Oh.
Frothing, eh? You had the best little stalk too.
Yeah, it was perfect.
And then
Then came side on.
He came side out,
Yeah.
like it was just another perfect scenario. Holy. This is a froth day.
What a pig. What a pig.
There's a big boar up in front of us in the swamp. Tom's gonna stalk. Tom had the perfect chance on that big boar, but sometimes it's hard to know if you should get closer or you should quickly take a shot, or yeah, it's hard to tell. But that boar, it was looking straight at him. I haven't seen it on footage yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll be pretty sick. I'll swing over to that now.
We've seen this pig come through. We're just walking over there, and it was just here, just eating.
And Tom was right
and
there.
I was like right here, and I was trying to get a bit closer so I could get the perfect shot. And then
sometimes you just gotta take, because that would have been 10-meter shot.
I know, and he was looking at me, and I was kind of like, yeah. Anyway, and then I tried to go in and just boom, straight up, go on. Oh, you win him, you lose him.
All right, my go now. Oh, I'll hit that good boar. I lost his blood trail. Thought I hit him so good, but it's hard sometimes. We gotta, we're just gonna keep pressing. Might hit his blood trail again, otherwise we're gonna try and make it to these big swamps. We haven't even got there yet. We've seen like how many pigs? Like 5 good pigs. big boars, all of them. It's been pretty sick.
Sows, eh?
Yeah. Oh well, let's keep going. Alright, so there's a big mob of pigs over the other side. A few good boars, sows, heaps of stuff. Since there's so many eyes, we're both going to walk out. Tom's going to be in front because it is his turn, but I'm going to be behind just in case. Oh, that's a big boar. Did you see that? And just in case, like, there's a good shot, and I'll have an arrow ready to. Let your broadhead, you'll stab me. Yeah, I know. Well, we'll just sneak out, and they might come out.
Look at those two big ones coming.
Alright, we're gonna go. Go, press on it. Take a long shot. Wait till she comes out. Oh, you get that? Oh, it's about 3 o'clock now. We just done a massive walk out into the open paddock swamps. There was no pigs there. We just found the pig we shot back over there before. So we're gonna head back to the car now, sink a few beers, reminisce on the day, and then maybe on the way back to camp, we might go chase a barra. Hey guys, just out chasing a few pigs with the bows again today. Yesterday you would have seen Connor and Tom tag a few good pigs with the bow, so Tom's headed home today and I'm taking his place and we're gonna hopefully get a few more. We just spooked nice big mob pigs as we walked straight in, but wind wasn't really in our favour, so we'll keep pressing on and see if we can get you some footage. We're just trying to pick up the blood trail here. Little spots on leaves. One thing about bow hunting, you just gotta find the blood and just hope for the best. Yep. Oh, look, there he is. You got him? Yeah, he's dead. He didn't look very far away, he just come out of the swamp and dropped right there. Wouldn't have run more than 60 metres and he's down over there. How's that? Perfect. Double lung. He's a big boar too. He's a good pig. Nice hooky boar. Smacked him out in that swamp there. I'm beaming. This is sick. Got a nice double lung shot. Arrow went on this side and popped out that side and it just dropped him from bugger all where I hit him. Took a nice 20-metre shot. Laughing, cheering. Oh, good hooks on him, eh? Yeah. Hopefully we can get another one. Fuck yeah. Before we keep going, there's no pigs here, but see what they do, they rip the whole swamp up. They smash all the vegetation out of the swamps, all any little frogs and grubs and bugs that are all good and part of the Australian ecosystem. All the ferals just smash all that out. We're here trying to thin out the numbers so it's not as bad.
Before we get back to this next swamp, I'm going to show you guys how bad these pigs are for their environment like this. Oh, we'll hold that short. You can see where all these pigs have towed up through here. I was just explaining to you before we got interrupted by a pig on the swamp. So I'll finish off what we were saying. These pigs are just toweling all these swamps up, just making an absolute mess. And any native animals that live in here just destroys their home. They eat all the grubs and bugs that are good for everything, so you can see the damage they do. Boar that I just smacked with the bow, he had his head right up in one of these, and they just rip all the inside of this out, and this is what they eat. It's like high in protein, and it's just, yeah, they love it. Easy to get to. They'll hollow this whole log out over the year.
There's a massive pad running straight down to it as well.
Big pad coming from both ways, even 3 pads, and they'll just get here, chew the guts of it out. You'll get them right up in there. They just love it. That's how they get so fat. You can just see it'll be just full of protein, and that's what they want. There you go.
Pink pig poos all day. And we're wondering why when we come through. I reckon it's from this here. It's like must be a pink sap in it. I've never seen pink shits before.
Yeah, they've been smashing it, eating into it.
Over there too.
Yeah.
Certain vine, but yeah, it's all through the bush today. It's just been pink pig shits.
And this is when you're hunting, bow hunting especially, you got to take note of all this stuff, because we can bang a mark on this spot. Next time we come here, there might be a pig on it eating it at the time, so we always just mark spots, fig trees or anything where a pig will hang around a bit, and then we can just cruise through checking all our marks, and more often than not we come lucky.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to watch more.